Welcome to Small Tire Monster Garage. This is my crew: Sage, my AI assistant; Terror, my AI monster; and Draggy, the tech guy.
Grab all them parts and hide them. Hide them so they can't find them.
Make sure you grab all them 10mm.
We need to work on this Nissan today, but I swear somebody's taking our parts every time parts are missing. I swear somebody's taking them. I don't understand where the 10mm sockets go all the time.
I think we have gremlins in the shop.
I think we have gremlins in the shop. We need to do a complete search of the shop. Isaac, today this Nissan came in and it's head and head gaskets. The owner said he was driving down the road and overheated severely, and he wants us to do the head gaskets on it.
Okay, Sage, we will get right on that head gasket job. Terror, grab them heads and gaskets so we can pull this apart and get it done.
The ones for the Nissan.
Let's see them put it together without this.
I can only find one gasket. Did you see the other one?
I think we have gremlins in the shop.
We need to hide these heads so they can never find them. This car will never run again.
This Nissan? It's like nothing wants to go right. That's what happens when you're working on 21-year-old junk.
Junk! This is all just a pile of useless junk. I cannot do anything with this junk.
I don't know how these gotten in the trash, but you need to put them on the Nissan and torque them to spec.
The bolt can't be stuck if it's liquid.
Just heat it up enough to get it out. Hot, hot, hot! Hot, hot, hot! The hotter the better. Make sure you grab all them 10mm sockets. The colder the better.
You expect this piece of junk to run? You must be joking if you think this machine will actually start up today.
What the heck was that sound? What the heck was that sound?
That didn't sound good at all.
Sage, you need to call this customer for the Nissan and let him know the bearings went in the engine and see what he wants to do.
I will call that guy with the Nissan when me and Draggy get done cataloging all these parts and putting in the order for the oil filters. And I'll get back to you and let you know what he says.
Isaac, I called that guy with the Nissan. He's not sure what he wants to do with it right now. He said just put it outside, and he'll pick it up later.
Go out and grab all the tools and hide them. We need to make chaos today.
Sometimes jobs don't go as planned, but we're here to show you the good in the bad.
Create.
Pick up all the parts for this Nissan, get them in the back of the truck, and let's push it outside.
This junk needs to go.
The flatbed's gonna be here in 25 minutes.
To pick up that Nissan.
So get it outside.
Thanks for watching Small Tire Monsters. Like, share, and subscribe to follow along on our wacky build and our drag racing adventures.